The nailing fin here should be pre-cut with the miters from the factory. Be very careful with the edges. They are very sharp. Safety first, be sure to wear some gloves and all appropriate PPE. If you desire, you can knock down any of the sharp edges with a file before you handle the nailing fin. The exterior of the nail fin is going to have these 3 ridges on it. This nail fin will go underneath this slot in the extrusion of the frame. The nail fin will not be pre-drilled from the factory. You will need to drill all the holes with an appropriate 1/8 inch drill bit. Use a tape measure and mark for the first hole 3 to 4 inches from the edge of the fin. Then mark approximately every 8 inches apart. Pre-drill all of the holes at the marks. This is the interior side. Use a tape measure and mark for the first hole 3 to 4 inches from the edge, then mark approximately every 8 inches apart. Now pre-drill along all of the marks. Before you apply any sealant, dry fit all of the pieces to ensure that they all fit properly, so it will go underneath this slot in the extrusion of the frame. After ensuring that they all fit, remove the fin from the window. Apply a 1/8 inch bead of silicone along the perimeter of the window. Apply a 1/2 inch bead 3 to 4 inches along here in the corners. Install the nail fin into the bead of the sealant. Install the screws through the pre-drilled holes in the fin at the corners. Turn the window over and pre-drill the holes into the frame. Be mindful of not drilling too far into the frame. Install all of the remaining screws. Apply a generous amount of sealant behind the fin at the corners of the frame.